it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with NeeCJae. Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with my very first box charm. If you are interested in seeing this unboxing, then you stay tuned. So this is the first time that I have, actually it was called Boxy charm. The Boxy charm. I have not subscribed to this. I've seen other unboxing and I've seen some really great items that I received in this Boxy charm. So I decided just to go ahead and subscribe just to see what I would get in my first subscription. So I haven't opened it up as of yet, so I wanted to do it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get this stuff up. Alright, so when I first opened it up, it has Boxy charm and it just tells you, let me see what it says, 10% off your next purchase. So it just gives you a little coupon, and I guess inside, oh, it just gives you an overview of all the items, which I don't want to see. I just want to be surprised. So it looks like it gives you all the overview of what's in the box. Okay, so packaging is everything to me. So everything, it looks like it's going to be really safe when doing shipping. And the first thing that I opened up is Superhero It Mascara. Alright. So I'm gonna open it up just because I want to see. By It Cosmetic. I can't wait to try this mascara. Oh, and this looks like a perfect size, you know, wand for your lashes. So okay. Yay. And it says that it's elastic stretch volumizing mascara. So I love that because I don't wear falsies all the time, so I'm always in for a good mascara. So this is the first item. The next item, oh, okay, this is like full-size products too. It's from Kat Von D, and this is Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is the Everlasting Lipstick by Kat Von D, and it says it's in Crucifix. Oh, okay. That looks like a pretty color. Let's see. Perfect shade for fall. Perfect shade for fall. So yes, I'm all about it. The next item says Bashella Eyebrow Cream, and it's in the color taupe. Okay, so this is I don't know how to open it up, but let's see. Do I just fail. I don't know how I have to mess with this later, but it says tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. So I guess you just dip it inside of here, you open it up. I didn't see anything else that came in here, and it's inside of this little tube here. So okay, I have to try it, but it's full-size products. I love that. Don't despair, repair, strength, moisturize, leave-in mask. Okay, so this is for your hair, leave-in mask, and it's by Borgio. So okay. Oh my goodness. By PUR, Per Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Oh my goodness, and the colors looks like they're going to be really pretty. So let's open this up. Okay, so this box looks like it's going to be really worth purchasing. I think this box was it $25 I think, or $35. I'm not really sure, I forgot, but I would definitely put the exact amount in the description box below what it actually was. It was either $25 or $35, I think. But anyway, like I said, I will add that in the description box just to, ooh, so you can know how much it was. Cute. Now this is cute. It looks like a little book, as you can tell. Okay, so let's open it up. Ah, look at this. You can see these colors. Oh my goodness. Blushes and eyeshadow. So these are the blushes and bronzers, and these are the eyeshadows, and they look really, really pretty. Let's see. That's the silver on my hand right here. The green. Let's do that purple right there. That smoky, vampy color. Let's see the blue. Oh, that blue is really pretty too and vibrant. Let's see. And what's the other color? And this little smoky dark color here. Very pretty, very pigmented. Really, really pretty palette. So okay. All in all, my first impressions of the Boxy Charm, I would definitely purchase this box again. They have full-size products, and I love that. This is the first one that I received, and I'm impressed. So yeah, I love to do unboxings, and I stopped doing them for a while. I'm gonna do 3 boxes and really see, because sometimes the first box this is my very first one, so it's really good. That's the way it always is, and then you never know how it may, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna give it 3 boxes before I just say yes. I'm just gonna continue to keep them. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, for my new subscribers, welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family. I see you. Thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button. And if you are just stopping by, go ahead and you click the subscribe button as well. It's free. Go ahead and do it. Just click that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, because anytime I do a video, you will be the first one notified. So yeah, guys, again, I really, really, really do appreciate each and every one of you for just taking time out to just watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. Anyway, until next time, peace and love, guys. Mwah. Bye.